Toad was her name, the little animal from the pond. Toad was her name. She saw the birds sing. The birds were so beautiful, so giggly, dazzling, joyful, spreading their wings and flying to different trees and just singing and enjoying and blessing God with its soft songs. The little toad was in the pond, the lily pond. And that pond was not the healthiest one. It was filled with clutter, clutter that the bird just couldn't cope with. It was too cluttery, gave her headache. So the bird flew away, but the toad stayed in her pond, in her lily pond. The toad was always questioning herself, why? Why do birds fly and I can't fly? The toad didn't realize that comparing herself to other species was useless. But still, why would the toad not like her habitat? Why did the toad just not swim in the little pond and create a gorgeous garden? Why, instead of that, she always wanted to catch flies to poison the little bird? The little bird is an artist. The little bird sings. The little bird is part of a symphony, an orchestra, a gorgeous orchestra. And the toad is just in the audience. The little toad is just in the audience and wishes that the little bird's wings become damaged. The little bird can no longer fly. The little bird grew in wisdom, and the little bird became an eagle, a white eagle. And the little bird was a large, grandiose bird that opened its wings and could fly everywhere with his best friends who were also pure positive energy, enthusiastics, joy for life, happy go lucky type of creature. The toad was there, gathered with other toads. And the toads were there, and they wanted to contact the bird with through the internet. But the little bird was so high in frequency they could no longer reach the large eagle. It used to be a little bird.